Hello everyone, I am Nivedita Kadam from Gokta Institute of Technology, Department of MBA, 4th Sem. Today I am here to present a topic on key issues in the project analysis. Meaning of project analysis. It is a process of examining the aspect of the project in details. This is mainly to see that the project runs as expected and also within a predefined budget. There are some examples of the project issue, such as change management, technical issue, performance, skills. Change management. It is an example wherein management a project is pushed to accept more work without more budget and time. Next, technical issue. This is another technical issue where a developer cannot find the root cause of defects in software. Performance. A developer delivers project late at low quality. Then they often disregards communications such as through his email or skip meetings. Skills. A developer is new to technology. In the start of the project, he is assumed to come up with the speed with a little training. But when he starts to work, he realizes that an expertise is required. And this is also a good example for the project issue. The main key issues of project analysis are keeping teams on the same page. Managing a team that is widely spread out is the biggest challenge for the project managers. Keeping team on the same page will make things happen and each members will come to know what's going on, what they need to do and what each of the team is working towards. Poorly defining the goals. Goals without objectives pushes a project in danger. An important step in a project is to define the goals and objective, and that becomes a major challenge. The project manager and the team members might not be knowing what exactly expect from the project. If goals and objectives are not clearly defined, the project will fail. Finding the right project management software. It is a difficult to identify the right technology for your project team with your budget. A well-designed project management software will ensure that projects are progressing as planned and allow you to visibility into your projects. Insufficient team skills. A team is as good as its team members. If a team members are not smart and are not trained enough to perform assigned work, it can put in a risky spot. But most of the times the team members are assigned on their availability and not for their expertise for many projects. Miscommunication cause conflicts. Miscommunication cause conflicts is one of the biggest project management challenge that get in a way to deliver projects successfully. No matter if you are giving instructions, asking questions or seeking information, there's always challenge to provide clear and open communication. Unrealistic deadlines. As we live in a world where competition is getting aggressive and targets are set either unrealistic or unachievable rather than driven by calculated business requirements. Risk management. What is a risk management? Risk management is the identification, assessment, and prioritization of risk, followed by coordinated applications of resources to minimize, monitor, and control the events. What risk management works in the project? Project don't go as planned, so risk management is one of the major project management issue that a project management managers have to deal with. These risks can be uncertainty in the financial market. Challenges of teamwork. Teamwork is not really a teamwork unless the team actually works. A team consists of multiple members, each having a different personality. With so many people working on a project together, there can be disagreements and differences in the team that can have a negative impact on the project in the environment. And the last one is lack of accountability. Everyone wants accountability, but a few teams have it. I am sure we are well aware of this challenge. A project manager have to make sure that the team is accountable throughout their daily workloads. Thank you.